How to create custom structural directive in Angular? Here is an example of a custom structural directive in Angular. Step 1. Create a new file and name it myfor.directive.ts. Step 2. Import the required dependencies. Step 3. Add the @directive decorator to your class and specify the selector for your directive. In this example, we are creating a structural directive with the selector *myfor. Step 4. Define the constructor and inject the template ref and view container ref services. Step 5. Add an input property to receive the data to iterate over. This input property is where you will pass in the data to iterate over. The set function uses the view container ref to create a new embedded view for each item in the collection and passes the item and index as context to the template. Step 6. Export the class. Once you have created your directive, you can use it in your templates like this. This will apply the directive to the ngContainer element and iterate over the items array, creating a new div for each item in the array. The letItem syntax declares a local variable item in the context of the template, which you can use to access the current item in the iteration. Next, we will see custom pipe directive and custom component directive. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.